What's up, team? Welcome back to Mississippi Dashing. My name is Nathan. It is Wednesday evening and we are on the road again trying to go for our daily 30. My wife doesn't get off till 7:30. I got to make dinner this evening. I've got some drawings I want to work on, but we need to hit our daily money goal of 30. So we're out and about and I'm excited to see where this gets. So let's hit it. All right, first order Chick-fil-A, 6 miles, $8.75. Let's go get it. Well done, Chick-fil-A. Only a 30-second wait. Let's get it delivered. Hell yeah. All right, we got that one delivered. It was $8.75. We're waiting for our second order, and I wanted to tell you guys, I hope you have an app that's tracking the miles that you take while you're driving. It's super important that you track that mileage because in the end, for tax season, good Lord, does that help with taxes. Now, last year was my first year doing DoorDash, and I only made, I think I grossed like $3,500, but had I not tracked that mileage, I wouldn't have gotten so much of a discount. You know, I got, what did I do? I think I tracked almost like 1,500 miles, so only 1,500 of my gross profit could be taxed. You'll save a ton of money if you use an app. I use the app Gridwise. Gridwise helps me track everything, and then they convert everything to PDF files, so you can send that to, say, other apps that do your taxes, and then, they will implement the mileage that you use to give you that money back. Super useful. All right, relying on patience again. We've only gotten 2 orders in the last 20 minutes, and they were both for $3 for 8 miles and then $4 for 6 miles. I'm not taking that kind of stuff, so patience. Good Lord, I just got 6 orders in a row that were more miles than the dollar amount that people were willing to give. So, okay, I finally got an order, $6.50 McDonald's, 3 miles. I think we'll take that. I got a barrage of terrible orders over a 20-minute period. But you know what? We finally got a good one, so we'll take that. And it'll put us at probably 15, 16 bucks, halfway there. Super slow night, but sometimes that's just to be expected in small markets. I'm only at a little over 17, almost 18 bucks. And I don't know, I'll make one more circle, see if I get another order. If I don't, it's almost close to 7. I'll probably head home for the night. All right, team. Well, I gave it a couple more minutes and I didn't even get an order, not even a bad one. So tonight was definitely a slower night and actually one of the lowest earning nights I've had this month. But, we finished with almost 18 bucks and that adds to our balance on our Dasher card, and we'll just keep going this week. I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll try again. See ya.